السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. How are y'all doing? I hope you're doing great. It's been a while. Okay, so um, where were we? We are currently at the last phase of lesson three. So we're gonna be finishing lesson three, and the video on lesson four is gonna be coming very soon, inshallah. So let's start. Let's start this last part of lesson three. We are gonna be studying the moon letters and sun letters. A very interesting topic to get to. First thing first, what are the Shams letter and what are the Moon letters? To understand this, we need to look at these two examples. If we were to pronounce this word here, we would say Ash-Shamsu, right? The sun. So what's going on here is we are ignoring this alif lam and we are, you know, we're connecting the alif with the shin. Ash-Shamsu. We're not saying Al-Shamsu, we're saying Ash-Shamsu. Whereas if you were to look at this word here, we would say Al-Qamaru. Al-Qamaru. So we're not going to be saying Al-Qamaru. We're going to be saying Al-Qamaru. So these words here, they give a nice list of all these words here. So what you should be doing, you should memorize any one of these rules of words. So you could memorize the moon letters. So let me write this here. Sun letters, moon letters. So memorize any one list of these words. I suggest you to memorize the moon letter one because it's more easy. You have it's just more easy. They're like in order, so it would be great if you memorize one of these, you know, rules of words or roll call. So let's see. So these letters here are the sun letters. So how do we pronounce them? We say at the zero, at the zero, and at the zero means the merchant. الثوب الثوب, we can see that. The cloth. الديك, the rooster. Do remember that when we have an alif lam, the tanween is gone, so we have only one dhamma here. And always remember when we are pronouncing shams letters, we will ignore the lam of al. Can we ignoring that lam here? So we're gonna ignore this lam. الديك, الذهب, sorry, الذهب. الذهب means gold, the gold, right? الرجل, الرجل, the man. الزهرة, الزهرة. زهرة means the flower. Okay? Okay. السمك, السمك. السمك means the fish. الشمس, that's the main word, the signature word here, the sun. الصدر, الصدر. الصدر means the chest. And then we have الضيف, الضيف, the guest. So there are a lot of new words here actually. For instance, ثوب is a new word, ذهب is a new word, ذخر is a new word, سمك is a new word, صدر is a new word, ضيف is a new word, and more words are coming, don't worry. الطالب, the student, right? الظهر, الظهر. الظهر means the back, back. اللحم. اللحم means the meat. It could be any meat. And najm means the star. So we have ظهر, new word, and lahm. Najm, we did najm. Now let's look at the moon letters, the letters where we do read, we do emphasize on the lam. There's a mistake here. This is going to be al-ab. This is going to be sukun, not fatha. Al-ab means the father. Okay. Al-babu, the door. Actually, father is a new word, I think. I mean, many of us call our dads ab. So yeah, that's a new word, very important word. Al-jannatu, the paradise. That's a new word. Not really, but why not? Al-himar, the donkey. Al-khubz, that's a new word. Khubz means bread. The bread. Khubz. Khubz means bread. Al-ain. Al-ain, the eye. This word came in the Quran many, many times. Al-ghada'u. Al-ghada'u means the lunch. New word. Al-fam. Fam means mouth. The mouth. The new word. Al-qamaru means the moon. Could be a new word. Al-kalb, the dog. Al-ma'u, the water. Al-waladu, al-waladu, the boy. Al-hawa, the air. That's a new word. Al-yadu, the hand. So this is gonna be a new word. What else? There are no new words here. So these are basically all the new words. Okay, very important words here. Um, Actually, there's a lot of new words. Wow, look at that. That's a lot of new words here. And another tip, another thing you can notice, like if you have a hard time noticing which letter is a shamstan and which letter is a one letter, always remember if there is a shadda, Allah Akbar, if there is a shadda, this sign here, yeah, you see this? If there's a shadda after alif lam, that word is a shams letter. And what we're gonna be doing there, we are gonna be emphasizing, like we're gonna be double emphasizing on the word of the letter after alif lam. So we're going to be saying athama, athaw, right? Look at this one. At at-tajiru, at-tajiru. So we're going to be coming from alif and kind of like stop on that and then continue from that. At-tajiru, right? And the moon letters, they don't have any shadda after alif lam. They won't have any shadda after alif lam. Al-himaru, al-jannatu, al-babu, al-abu, al-ain, al-qada. So you see, that's a very easy way of spotting which one is a moon letter, which one is um, some letter. Besides that, try to memorize these words. Your vocabulary is very important words here. Okay, let's move on. Okay, read the following words and write them, observing the rules of pronunciation of the lunar letters. Okay, so this is gonna be an interesting one. First thing first, what do we have here? We have El Beitu. I have to make my pen thinner. El Beitu means the house, right? El Beitu. Adiku, Adiku, the rooster. El Mudarris, El Mudarrisu, the teacher. الباب, the door, الطالب, the student. It might be a little bit hard for you guys because they haven't given the harakas over here, and it's gonna be a little bit hard for me to write all the harakas, but I'll try my best. السكر, السكر, the sugar, الدفتر, that's a new word, the copy. It could be also notebook, right? Or you could call this a notebook. There's another word for دفتر كراسة. The دفتر mostly means notebook. الأخ, the brother. الرسول, the messenger. الرسول, Rasul means the messenger because the word Rasul comes from أرسلنا, to send. So Rasul means the one who sent, the messenger. الوجه, الوجه, that's a new word, the face. الصديق, which means a friend, the friend. القرآن, the Quran. الصلاة, the prayer. الكعبة, the Kaaba. الرأس, الله أكبر. الرأس, رأس means head, the head. الإصباح is a new word. الإصباح, which means the dawn. الصابون, ظفر. Okay, that's a new word. That means nail soap. الصابون, فجر, the dawn. If you say that. الظهر means middle. ظهر, the middle prayer. You can say that. العصر means the noon. المغرب means the sunset. You can just call it Maghrib. Isha means it's just Isha. Keep it simple. So there are a few important words here. Let's see. Daftar is a new word. Akhi is a new word. Rasul is a new word. Wajhun is a new word. Sadiq is a new word. Quran, Salah, Kaaba, Ras, Sabun. Oh wow, so many new words. So yeah, I give all the meanings over there, the definitions. So try to memorize them. This word here, this particular word, you don't really need to memorize it. It's not going to be useful that much right now, but why not? Sure. If you want to memorize it, go ahead, memorize it, no worries. That is pretty much it. I tried my best to keep it short and simple. A last overview. Shams letters always have a shadda, and we are going to be emphasizing on the letter that comes after alif lam. So L, and then we have tajiru, right? So we're going to be emphasizing on at-tajiru. Ignore that alif lam, that lam. And we have Qamar, the moon letters. We are going to be saying Al, whatever comes after it. Al, whatever comes after it. That's actually the easiest way you can learn. And I suggest memorizing this particular rule because it's more in an order. You can memorize any one you want. All these words here represent, that category. So inshallah, that's it for this video. Next video we'll be starting lesson 4 inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.